Welcome to Bloom and Learn Kids. Let's learn 100 fruit names. Let's begin. Apple. Apple. These are apples. Banana. Banana. These are bananas. Orange. Orange. These are oranges. Mango. Mango. These are mangoes. Grapes. Grapes. These are grapes. Watermelon. Watermelon. These are watermelons. Pineapple. Pineapple. These are pineapples. Papaya. Papaya. These are papayas. Guava. Guava. These are guavas. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. These are pomegranates. Strawberry. Strawberry. These are strawberries. Blueberry. Blueberry. These are blueberries. Raspberry. Raspberry. These are raspberries. Blackberry. Blackberry. These are blackberries. Pear. Pear. These are pears. Peach. Peach. These are peaches. Plum. Plum. These are plums. Cherry. Cherry. These are cherries. Kiwi. Kiwi. These are kiwis. Lychee. Lychee. These are lychees. Custard apple. Custard apple. These are custard apples. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. These are jackfruits. Sapota. Sapota. These are sapotas. Fig. Fig. These are figs. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. These are dragon fruits. Dates. Dates. These are dates. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. These are gooseberries. Starfruit. Starfruit. These are star fruits. apricot, apricot. These are apricots. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe. These are cantaloupes. Rambutan, rambutan. These are rambutans. Persimmon, persimmon. These are persimmons. Cranberry, cranberry. These are cranberries. Tamarind, tamarind. These are tamarinds. Passion fruit, passion fruit. These are passion fruits. Lime, lime. These are limes. Lemon, lemon. These are lemons. Mulberry, mulberry. These are mulberries. Avocado, avocado. These are avocados. Coconut, coconut. These are coconuts. Nectarine, nectarine. These are nectarines. Longan, longan. These are longans. Jujube, jujube. These are jujubes. Red currant, red currant. These are red currants. Black currant, black currant. These are black currants. Soursop, soursop. These are soursops. Breadfruit, breadfruit. These are breadfruits. Asian pear, Asian pear. These are Asian pears. Blood orange, blood orange. These are blood oranges. Elderberry, elderberry. These are elderberries. Grapefruit, grapefruit. These are grapefruits. Honeydew melon, honeydew melon. These are honeydew melons. Quince, quince. These are quinces. Snake fruit, snake fruit. These are snake fruits. Durian, durian. These are durians. Mamoncillo, Mamoncillo. These are mamoncillos. Cactus pear. Cactus pear. These are cactus pears. Pomelo. Pomelo. These are pomelos. Cashew apple. Cashew apple. These are cashew apples. White currant. White currant. These are white currants. Jamun. Jamun. These are jamuns. Kaffir lime. Kaffir lime. These are kaffir limes. Kumquat. Kumquat. These are kumquats. Rosehip. Rosehip. These are rosehips. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. These are mangosteens. Sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn. These are sea buckthorns. Santol. Santol. These are santols. Noni. Noni. These are nonis. Rose apple. Rose apple. These are rose apples. Rowan. Rowan. These are rowans. Olive. Olive. These are olives. Chayote. Chayote. These are chayotes. Suriname cherry. Suriname cherry. These are Suriname cherries. Nance. Nance. These are nances. Red banana. Red banana. These are red bananas. Chocolate pudding sapote. Chocolate pudding sapote. These are chocolate pudding sapotes. Tamarillo. Tamarillo. These are tamarillos. Tangerine. Tangerine. These are tangerines. Crenshaw melon. Crenshaw melon. These are Crenshaw melons. Acai berry. Acai berry. These are acai berries. Bale fruit. Bale fruit. These are bale fruits. Bilimbi. Bilimbi. These are bilimbis. cloudberry, cloudberry. These are cloudberries. Calamansi, calamansi. These are calamansis. Goji berry, goji berry. These are goji berries. Star apple, star apple. These are star apples. Aki, aki. These are akis. Egg fruit, egg fruit. These are egg fruits. Fei ua, fei ua. These are fei awas. Salmon berry, salmon berry. These are salmon berries. Honeyberry, honeyberry. These are honeyberries. Pulasan, pulasan. These are pulasans. Buddha's hand, Buddha's hand. This is Buddha's hand. Ugly fruit, ugly fruit. These are ugly fruits. Jabuticaba, jabuticaba. These are jabuticabas. Monk fruits, monk fruits. These are monk fruits. Miracle fruit, miracle fruit. These are miracle fruits. Finger lime, finger lime. These are finger limes. Mommy sapote, mommy sapote. These are mommy sapotes. Elephant apple, elephant apple. These are elephant apples. Great job, kids! We just learned the names of 100 delicious fruits today. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.